This is part 2 of our little video here. We are again still here at the Hinkley Dam in Hinkley, New York. This is a power generation dam. The water is fairly low right now. We've got some vegetation kind of growing along this rock face, and we're looking to treat that vegetation chemically. And today we're going to be using a UAV to do that. So our crew is down there at the end. This is kind of demonstrating being able to go out into areas that maybe would not be readily accessible on foot. In this particular case, it is pretty readily accessible, but this is just kind of a concept demonstration. So this is a T30 DJI spraying drone. Carries about 8 gallons of mixed product, and he's going to be coming in here and looking for this these little spots of vegetation, and we'll be treating each one. So he's got a forward facing camera and a bottom facing camera, and as he comes across here, you're going to see the spray turn on right there, and we're making an application right now to these plants. Now that was just a quick one pass. I could see a couple of plants that he had missed, but it'll be interesting to see what kind of control we get from that one little quick run. You could see that it only took about well, we're at 2 minutes now from the time he took off from launch. So if we get good control here, you certainly can see that the time saving is substantial versus sending guys with backpacks up and down this stone face. There's a lot of different considerations that we think the drone brings an advantage to the table on. Worker injuries certainly is an obvious one. Exposure to chemicals by our employees is another one. Our guy is all the way down there, far away from where the actual application's being made. Time and efficiency is a big factor. Another one that was brought up yesterday in discussion is that in many cases we're dealing with invasive plants, and if we drive vehicles into those invasive plant areas, we have a high potential of translocating those invasive plants to another area. So by being able to fly over the area like we are here, we had very little input or very little impact, ground impact on anything in this area. And then the obvious, if it was not accessible by machine or by foot, this is something that you'd be able to get out and be able to treat it. So in an example like this, if we had an area over on the far shore that was difficult to get to, we'd be able to just fly to it using this UAV. So we're Allen Chase Enterprises Inc. We're based out of Oswego, New York. We can be contacted at 315-436-0902 or our Facebook page, Chase Enterprises. Thank you.